Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing this latte makeup trend floating all around the internet, so I thought why not give it a shot and do my spin on it. Okay, so to begin with, I've already prepped my face using this facial oil by Bell, and I'm applying some lip balm on my lips. So the actual makeup tutorial is very quick and simple. I'm going to be using this flawless filter by La Mior. So I'm using this product for the very first time, and it sort of reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury flawless filter. It gives that really nice glow to your face. Really love this product. Then for my eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow gel by NYX, which reminds me that I need to stock it up because I'm running really low on it. Oh my god, I feel complete after I'm done with my eyebrows. So for my base, I'm using the Skin Tint by Rimmel, and I'm mixing it with the La Mior Flawless Filter. I'm mixing the two together, applying a very light coat of it all over my face. Off lately, I have been skipping base product for the most part and just using concealer, but for this tutorial, I thought let's just switch it up. Absolutely loved how the base turned out. Giving the base a little bit of a break, I'm going to be moving on to my eyes and prepping my eyes using a concealer and sort of using it to clean up any mess that I did while applying my eyebrow gel. Using this baked bronzer by Note Cosmetics, I'm going to be applying it all over my lid up to my crease. Next up, this eyeshadow stick by Kiro is new to my collection, and oh my god, it dries really fast, so you guys can see me struggling to blend it out, but in the end it all comes together. That's the fun about makeup, you know. There's so much trial and errors, but in the end it all looks good. Using this taupey bronze shade from my Mars palette, I'm gonna be applying it all over my lid, and voila! You guys can't even see the mess that I made before this. I actually really love this Mars palette. It's really good for the price, and I see myself gravitating towards it almost every single day. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using this one by ELF and applying it to the usual areas. I'm not going to be blending it out right away. I'm just going to let it bake for some time. That way it gives me a lot more coverage. And meanwhile the concealer is baking, I'm going to be applying my cream blush. So for blush, I opted for something which is not too bright. This peachy shade goes really well and complements the eye really well. Once I'm done with my blush application, I'm going to be moving on to blending my concealer, and it looks so flawless. Then I'm going to be setting it in place using this banana powder from my Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm only going to be setting my under eyes and the centers of my face with this palette. So then I'm going to be using the same bronzer that I used all over my eyelid on my lower lash line. You don't have to be very neat and clean with the application. The messier it looks, the better. Then I'm going to be using the same Kiro pencil and applying it only on the 1/3 of my outer lower lash line, and I'm also going to be using this product on my waterline, and I'm using my fingers to smudge it out a little bit and dipping it into the same bronzy shade from the Mars palette. I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash line on top of that Kiro eyeshadow pencil. So the eye makeup is that simple, you guys. I'm quickly gonna curl my lashes, apply a little bit of mascara. This one by Maybelline has been my recent obsession. I'm onto my second tube, by the way. I don't know why I didn't give it a shot earlier, but wow, the hype was all worth it. And then I'm going to be moving on to another baked blush by Milani, and I'm just going to be setting that cream blush in place with this one. It's a baked product, so it's also going to give me a little bit of that glow. And in the end, I decided to apply a little bit of highlighter on my inner corner, my brow bone, and also a little bit on my cheekbone to just give a little bit of that, you know, pop. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to be using this lip gloss by Gush Beauty. The shade and everything will be mentioned down in my description box below. So yeah, and there you go, guys. That's the finished makeup look. Absolutely loved the outcome, and I hope you guys did too. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.